CO asks, is there such a thing as vibe PMing?
I mean, it took me a while to adopt this word. I mean, you can fake it, right? It can be a recent grad that's like, hey, I just finished college. I'm going to be a PM. I'm going to use all these tools. But there's something that you cannot replace, which is the PM intuition, which is the mistakes you've made and the things you've learned and the feedback you received, where you just need to add in your day to day in order to make better products. So while you can fake and vibe PM and produce some great products, I don't think you can dive as deep in the essence of the craft of product management without knowing the theory and the basics. There was someone gave me a great example, which is in order to play the piano, sure, you can have the sheet music and learn to play the notes, but if you don't have kind of the training and the soul, kind of, it sounds different, right?